With so many different models to research, it can be a challenge choosing the right balding clippers. To help you find the right products, we've compiled a video of the best balding clippers on the market right now. So let's dive into the video. Number 1. Most popular. Wahl Color Pro Cordless Rechargeable Hair Clipper. The Wahl Color Pro Cordless Hair Clipper is an all-purpose workhorse for balding, but it's also family-friendly for trimming your kids' hair as well. The clipper's color-coded comb guard lets you choose the correct length for different hairstyles with ease. This machine is outfitted with Wahl's signature heavy-duty rotary motor that can power through any hair texture without snagging or pulling. Its main blade is a stainless steel zero blade, which is ideal for bald fades. The clipper's blade can be removed and rinsed to ensure hygienic grooming. Number 2. Andis 17150 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver. The Andis Pro Foil Shaver is the perfect machine for shaving a bald head. Great for guys with sensitive skin or their scalp who want a gentle smooth shave. This lightweight shaver follows the contours of your head and neck to make the experience effortless. Despite its compact size, this shaver has a robust rotary motor and is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that cuts at a speedy 8,000 cycles per minute. The company cleverly engineered combining a rotary motor with a foil shaver. Number 3. Remington HC4250 Shortcut Pro Self-Haircut Kit. The Remington HC4250 Shortcut Pro Self-Haircut Kit is an innovative hair clipper set that will make trimming your hair short easy and fast. This cordless balding clipper is a professional-grade tool that's been specifically engineered for home groomer. First off, this balding clipper doesn't look like other clippers. It's been ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your head and allows for easy access to your neckline, around the ears, and the back of your head. This clipper's head is more than 50% wider than standard clippers, so you can cover a wider area with a single pass. Number 4. Wahl Professional Balding Clipper. The Wahl Magic Clip is one of the most popular hair clippers on the market and is regularly recommended by barbers for home haircuts. This heavy-duty clipper cuts through thick hairs with ease, making it the perfect machine for shaving your head or fading hair. Wahl has equipped this trimmer with a high-speed rotary motor that's designed for efficient bulk hair removal. This balding shear has a durable hard plastic housing that prevents overheating. The machine is powered by a strong lithium-ion battery that charges in 2 hours and delivers 90 minutes of cutting time. Number 5. Skull Shaver Pitbull Silver Pro Electric Head Shaver. The Skull Shaver electric razor was designed specifically for maintaining a smooth shaved head. This shaver comes with unique features that will deliver a close shave for a clean bald head. For starters, the Pitbull Pro is an upgraded model that combines performance and innovative design for best results. This rotary shaver has been engineered with a multi-directional rotation that follows the contours of the scalp. The blades are attached to a pivoting neck, allowing maximum flexibility to prevent nicks, cuts, and irritations. This versatile machine has a patented ergonomic design.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.